Today, our DBMS software is SQLite. My group mates will discuss and demonstrate how to use SQLite.
Good day everyone, my name is John Michael Bientesa and I'm gonna introduce to you the SQLite. What is SQLite? SQLite is a software library that provides a relational database management system. Not like other database engine, SQLite is a client-server database engine. Rather, the database is also part of the code. SQLite is a kind of RDBMS. It's relational database management system that is self-contained, serverless, zero configuration transaction database engine. In short, SQLite is a public domain software package that provides RDBMS that used to store user-defined records in large tables.
Okay, next is SQLite. SQLite compatibility to Windows. The SQLite database file format is also stable. All releases of SQLite version 3 can read and write database files created by the very first SQLite 3 release version 3.00, going back to 2004, 2006, and 2018. So basically, SQLite has 3 versions currently. Meron siya nung 2004, meron siya nung 2006, meron din siya nung 2018. So yung current version is yung version 3, which is 2018. So this is backwards compatibility. The developers promise to maintain backwards compatibility of the database file format for all future releases of SQLite 3. So, forward compatibility means that the older releases of SQLite can also read and write databases created by newer releases. SQLite is usually but not completely forwards compatible. So, basically, ang ibig sabihin lang nito is that yung older versions ng SQLite, di ba? We have 3 versions, 2004, 2006, and 2018. So, yung ibig sabihin lang dun sa backward compatibility and forward compatibility is that yung kung anong laman nung 2004, kung paano niya binabasa yung mga ini-input is that ganun din siya, mariread siya nung 2006. Applicable pa rin yung sa 2004, readable yung sa 2006, tas readable din sa 2018. So every new version nare-read niya yung mga lumang version. Kung ano yung meron sa lumang version, applicable pa rin siya dun sa bagong version. So, kumbaga, hindi siya na pag-iiwanan. Kumbaga, parang, pwede mo pa rin magamit kung ano yung nasa older version. So, basically, next is that SQLite is a popular choice as embedded database software for local or client storage in application software such as web browsers. So, lagi siya nakikita sa mga web browsers. It is arguably the most widely deployed database engine as it is used today by several widespread browsers, operating systems, and embedded systems, such as mobile phones, among others. SQLite has bindings to many programming language. Ibig sabihin yung SQLite is applicable or has many binds, can be bind. Pwede siya makonect sa iba't ibang programming language. So basically yung compatibility niya sa Windows is that madali or compatible talaga siya. Parang pwede siya or applicable siya sa Windows na application. Yung application na SQLite, applicable siya sa Windows. Where it is being used. So, next is yun nga. Kung saan siya pwede gamitin. SQLite is often used as on-disk file format for desktop applications such as version control system, financial analysis tools, media cataloging and editing suites, CAD packages, recording keeping programs. So basically, ito yung mga examples niya. Ito yung version control system. Yan yung mga version control system. So, nandiyan nakalagay yung mga inventory, ganun yung mga list ng files, ganun. So, financial analysis tools. Ito naman. Yan, nakikita dito yung mga sa financial datas. Kumbaga, yung media catalog and editing suite, yung mga sa video editing softwares, gano'n, dun siya nagagamit. Yung CAD packages naman is that dito sa mga parang 3D programs, yung mga ginagawa like that. Ayan, yung mga 3D animations, ganun, yung mga ganito. So, record keeping tool or record keeping program is for mga records, yung mga tinatabing records, ganun, medical records, ganun. Example, ito. So, yun yung mga record keeping program. Ito. So, yan. So, yun lang yung nasa where it is being used and compatibility to Windows.
Hi guys, my name is J-Mark M. Cordova and I'm going to talk about the features and the advantages of the SQLite. So, SQLite is a serverless. Most of SQLite databases engines are implemented as a separate server process. Programs that want to access the database communicate with the server using some kind of inter-process communication to send requests to the server, and it can be received back results. And also SQLite does not work this way. With SQLite, the process that wants to access the database reads and writes directly from the database file on disk. So the advantage of this SQLite is that there is no separate server process to install, set up, configure, initialize, manage, and troubleshoot. And this one reason why SQLite is a zero configuration, because programs that use SQLite require no administrative support for setting up the database engine before they are run. Any program that is able to access the disk is able to use an SQLite database. On the other hand, a database engine that uses a server can provide better protection from bugs in the client application. Stray pointers in a client cannot corrupt memory. And because a server is a single persistent process, it is able to control databases access with more precision and allowing for a finer grain locking and better accuracy. So most of the SQLite database engines are client or server based. Of those that are serverless, SQLite is the only one that is author knows of that allows multiple applications to access the same database at the same time. So, yun po yung features ng SQLite.
So, good day everyone. I'm Jonathan A. Samson. And yung kanina, kung napanood niyo na, yung grupo namin na-introduce na kung ano yung DBMS, compatibility nito sa Windows, at kung saan to nagagamit, at kung ano-ano yung mga features nito. Tapos, dinemonstrate na rin namin kung paano to ginagamit. So, here we have letter F. If it's hard to learn and code. So, kung employee ka na gumagamit na ng older version ng SQL, medyo mag-adjust ka talaga. Pero kung master mo na siya, Tapos alam mong may pangit sa part na yon. Ang kagandahan dito is yung mga negativity nung older version, mas updated na, mas madali na siyang gamitin, at mas marami na siyang kayang gawin. So, yun, as an employee, ganun. Kung student ka naman, like me na nung senior high, wala kaming ganito, hardware kami, ICT 2. Medyo nahihirapan kami, pero kung papapiliin ako, kung ano yung gagamitin ko, siguro SQLite na rin kasi ito yung pinaka-updated, ito yung pinaka-latest, mas marami siyang kayang gawin, mas maganda na rin sa akin na matutunan ko to agad para magamit ko to. Pag alam ko na tong gamitin, kaya ko na rin gamitin yung mga older version. So, go install or go use. Siguro go use and go install for me. For, kagaya ng sinabi ko, mas magandang gamitin natin to kung ano yung mas updated. That's it. Hope you enjoy it. God bless and keep safe.